Introduce yourself.
Sir, myself Chitranjan Pawar and I am from Indore. I had completed my master degree with Medicare College and with the aggregate of 8.2 CGPA. And I have learned many languages during graduations like Java, Core Python and MySQL, SQL. And I am more comfortable in Java language and I selected to do the Python language in my masters.
Okay, so what is the main difference between Java and Python?
Sir, as I see that, sir, it is depend on the user.
Means it depend. I am just asking the internal difference. Means suppose that you learn both languages, okay, Java as well as Python languages. Then what is the basic difference between both of them?
So both are object-oriented programming. Both are used interpreter, language and checking of codes. And sir, it is depend on the user. I think. If
As a programming language, if I want to
sir,
ask the
Python is more easy than as compared to Java. But if we think.
What are the unique features of Python that is not existing on Java?
Sir, in Java we only go to some selected fields like web application and desktop application development, or we not
Desktop application, web application also you can create using Python also.
Yes sir, but games applications are not in Java.
Who say that Java is not for game applications?
Sir.
In industry, 70% game applications has been developed by C++ and Java. Do you know about it? The main features of Java was the game development. Okay. Okay. The main difference is the internal specification. Java is a compiler based, and Python is a interpreter based. That is the main difference between both of them. Okay. If anybody asks you that what is the difference between Python and Java, then you can say that Python is a interpreter based. It has no any separate compilers, but Java has compilers as well as interpreter based. Okay, the second difference is the security concern also. Java is more secure as compared to Python because it has a bytecode pattern. Okay, that provide much security as compared to Python. But in case of programming language capability and easiness, Python provide much easy syntax as compared to Java. You can easily learn it. Performance wise, Python is better performance for executions, not for processing. As a processing wise, if we concern that Java processing speed is better as compared to Python. So there are lots of differences. Okay, machine learning, data science, this type of applications you can't create Java. Okay, you can create this type of applications using Python easily. Okay, that is the main difference. That is the key difference between Java and Python. Okay, what is the latest version of Python?
Sir, 3.9.
3.9 or something else? 3.9.1, 3.9.0, 3.9.3.
So I worked on 3.9. So latest download page.
You are working on 3.9, that is the latest version. If you are working on 2.7, that is the latest version. According to Python.org, which is the latest version?
3.9.1, I think.
3.9.1. What is the difference between 3.8 and 3.9? Main difference.
I don't know.
Okay. Can you convert dictionary to list? Dictionary object to list object? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
How?
So using some method, predefined method.
I am not asking about any predefined method. By logical concepts, you can convert it. Suppose that you have dictionary, roll number 1001, name XYZ, and I want to convert this dictionary object to list object. How to convert it?
So by taking index number to and
Dictionary has index.
Yes, sir.
Dictionary contain indexing. Dictionary support indexing.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure about it?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, key and then uska value.
So where is it? Where index?
Sir, key.
Key is the
Key
index.
is the index.
Okay. So how to coordinate with list? Because the list contains only single item. Dictionary has key value pairs. Then how you can coordinate key value pair type elements to list? Is it possible?
So by getting its element value directly from the dictionary.
So what you will write on do?
I don't know about that, but I tried.
You have tried.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell the any predefined method to reverse dictionary object?
Reverse dictionary object. Yes,
Okay, dictionary key can be numeric
yes, sir.
or alphabets.
It's a numeric key, sir.
Okay, key can be repeated.
No, sir.
It can't be repeated. Key can be null.
Yes, sir. Key can be null.
Multiple null is allowed.
Multiple null. No, sir.
It's not allowed.
Not.
Are you sure about it?
Sir, I'm not sure, but
It will not allow. Okay. A dictionary display elements randomly or sequentially?
sir, it may be a random.
They display randomly,
Yes, sir.
not sequentially.
So sequence sequence में होना जरूरी नहीं है. Random.
Suppose that I am entering dictionary, then first elements, first in first order means FIFO concept it will follow or random concept?
No, sir, random.
Random concept.
की वैल्यू पेयर में लेता है ना वैल्यू, तो अपन की अगर कॉल कर रहे हैं तो उसके साथ साथ वो
I am not calling any key. I have 1000 elements in dictionary and I want to display it.
Yes, sir.
Then it will display randomly or as per sequence it will display.
Yes, sir, randomly.
Randomly.
नहीं जब after displaying it may be sequence, but if you call a unique key then
Then it will be randomly.
that will be random.
If you call the key, then it will get the particular values.
Yes.
Then how it randomly?
Sir,
Means
randomly
key
means,
will point to particular values.
yes, sir.
Then where it is randomly?
Sir, you are pointing the value now.
Okay. Okay, you should prepare a lot. Okay, your fundamental concept is very poor. You should work on it. Okay.